Hi, I'm Dr. Alicia Chan. I'm the director of Optimal Wellness Institute. At Optimal Wellness Institute, we believe in helping you to maximize your life potential by feeling better, thinking better, and moving better. So, welcome to our Optimal Wellness channel on WhatsApp. Optimal Wellness channel is one of the ways that I choose to give back to you and the world by sharing my knowledge, my experience, and learning as a healthcare professional, exercise trainer, and yoga instructor to help you to live life better by moving better, thinking better, and appreciate life better. We are now at Optimal Movement channel. At the conclusion of the Optimal Movement module, this channel will then be changed to Optimal Brain, which helps you to think better, and then to Optimal Soul, which helps you to appreciate life better. You will find that the content has practical tips being posted about 2 to 3 times over the weekdays. And I strongly encourage you to go to the channel a few times every week to learn the content and join the workshops. If you like what you read, would you please give me a thumbs up so that I know what has helped you? And why not invite your family and friends to join this channel so they don't miss out on the great content? All you need to do is to go to the top of the page and click on Optimal Movement and scroll down to add member. Or you can get them to scan this QR code to join. And it's free to join. At the end of each module, a workshop will be conducted to teach you the practical steps to excel and perfect in each of the foundation of movement that you have learned. There will be dynamic movement classes after the conclusion of all 4 modules to help you to put the learnings into practice. Workshop dates and time will be announced. You can private message me to sign up for the workshop, and there's a fee of $20. You can join the in person at Talentsville Studio, or join the video call, or to purchase the recording for self-paced learning. I really hope that you are enjoying the content, and I would appreciate your feedback. Well, let's get started.